chinga kiechio gose sege kare kiechio nigo omo county commander we county ya Kisii Ronald Kirui erelbegire na kwenekia buna nigo serikali egento kumuge bitambukiro byonsi kare buna kira omonto ngonyorare obwene bwaye chinga kichons.
My name is Ronald Kirui. I'm the county police commander in Kisii. Today we were privileged to attend a meeting with the human rights defenders from Kisii County, and as a key stakeholder in human rights, the police is the main stakeholder when it comes to human rights, observance of the human rights. All over the world, the mandate of police is very clear, that these are the institution charged with the responsibility of ensuring that people continue to enjoy the human rights. And on our part as police also, we also explain to them what they are supposed to do as the human rights defenders and what the community is supposed to do, because all of us, though we have divergent role and mandate, all of us must ensure that there is observance of human dignity, there is observance of human rights. So in this particular meeting, we have looked at the existing caps among the key actors, the stakeholders in human rights defenders, and it has been a very fruitful engagement that going forward we are going to have a very strong partnership, collaboration between the national police and the human rights defenders in ensuring that we all continue to enjoy the human rights as enshrined in our Constitution of Kenya 2010, Chapter 4.